Yeah, today in Karbi Rongsopi, village. Uh, Actually, it is Karbi Rongsopi number one, but it comprises of more than 20 headmen, 20 villages. That is. So far, for they say that it is flood affected area, so they try to construct a mathori to control the flood, but actually it is not flood affected area. From Chongkan to Kolonga, this transit is 6 kilometer distance. This distance is not a flood affected area because due to flood during the monsoon only they could able to do paddy cultivation, rice cultivation. For just a week, for 2-3 days flooded of this Amlong river, they got a chance to harvest the water, and then from that water they are able to do rice cultivation. But now the thing is that if the mathauri is constructed over on the side of the river, there won't be flood anymore in the paddy field. So there won't be they won't be able to cultivate even the monsoon rice also. So what the villagers now wanted to know from the authority is that they want to hold a meeting with the authority. Once they had a meeting, they will decide that whether this Mothori project is feasible in this area or irrigation will be more feasible. That's what they will decide in the public meeting. That's all for today. Thank you. Chalo di.